Cybertruck tipping forward dramatically at the summit in a swan dive, before controlled descent, demonstrates exceptional off-road stability. The Cybertruck can be seen positioned at the base of a steep, rocky incline. The terrain is rugged, with large rocks and a significant elevation change, typical of Moab's challenging off-road trails. The vehicle's front end lifts significantly as it tackles the steep slope, demonstrating its capability to handle extreme angles. The truck maintains a steady pace, with its wheels gripping the rocky surface. The suspension system appears to adjust dynamically, keeping the vehicle stable despite the steep incline. The front wheels are significantly elevated, and the vehicle is at a near vertical angle, yet it does not tip over, indicating excellent weight distribution and stability.